Good morning, students. Today you will solve exercise 3.6. What is the motive of this exercise? You can use this type of grid in which numbers are written already in their boxes, and what you have to do, you have to take help of these boxes for subtraction and addition. How to do? Like you have to plus 3 plus 4. So what you have to do? After 3 you can count 4 more spaces, because this is the plus mark. Then you have to move 4 more spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 3, so what is the answer lastly? 7. So which answer we are getting here? 7. In this way, which number is here? 6. Okay. Now 6 after, you have to count 2 more spaces. After 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer for 6 after 2 more spaces? That is 8. So in this way, you have to use the grid and solve these sums. In this sum, 0 out of 0, 0. Okay. Like if we will make here one more box like 0. 0 after 0 means there is no movement. We have to stay here. 0. 7 minus 2 means our number is 7. This 7. And what are they saying? You have to move 2 steps back. In plus, you have to move steps forward, and in subtraction, you have to move 2 steps back. So 7 up. 7 before 2 steps, 6, 5. So this is our answer. So we are getting here 5. In this way, you can use the grid to solve the sums. And what other way we have already told you, that you can count on your finger marks which number is upper side 3 and which number is downside 4. So which is the smaller number here? 3 is smaller. Otherwise, what you can do, 3 after, you can choose any one number, both of them. 3, we are choosing 3. So we have to count after 4. 3 steps like 5, 6, 7. These 3 finger marks. 5, 6, 7. For 6, we have to count 2 marks, 2 more spaces. So 7, 8. These 2 spaces are, so we will write here 8. You can count easily on your finger marks. There is no use of grid for you also, because grid is not coming in your exam. So you have to know it perfectly, that how to solve subtraction sum, addition sum on your finger marks, and how to solve it. So in this way, you have to solve the exercise 3.6 in your book in simple way. There is no need to use grid. ग्रिड को यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है बेटा. आप अपने फिंगर मार्क्स पे ही इनको काउंट करें और इसे सॉल्व करें. Now students, we will solve the word problem. What are the word problems? Page number 35. We have to solve the addition and subtraction sums through solving these word problems. How to solve them? A shopkeeper sold 47 t-shirts and 43 shirts. Okay. एक शॉपकीपर ने कितनी टी शर्ट सेल की बेटा? 47 टी शर्ट्स एंड 43 शर्ट्स. हाउ मेनी क्लोथ्स डिड द शॉपकीपर सेल ऑल टुगेदर? बताइए शॉपकीपर ने कितने कपड़े सेल किए. तो हम कैसे करेंगे इसे? हाउ टू राइट दैट? फर्स्टली वी विल राइट हियर. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन लाइंस ऑलरेडी इन देयर सम. How to write? What is their number of sold Number of sold t-shirts. How much? How many t-shirts are there? 47. Okay. And shirts. We will write here number of sold shirts. Number of sold shirts. How many sold shirts are here? 43. So we will write here 43. Now, how to do? They are asking how many clothes did the shopkeeper sell altogether? Now we will write third line. Number of sold clothes. Now what we will do here? We will do addition. Solve it. From right side, every time, what is the rule of addition and subtraction? Always start from the right side. That's why we write always upper side 2. T for tens place, O for ones place. So 7 after 3 places more, you have to count 8, 9, 10. So we will write here 10. 1 is going here as a carry number. 4 plus 4. 4 after you have to count 4 more spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will write here 8. 8. No, 1 is left upper side. So what we will write there? 8 plus 1, 9. So what is our answer? They are asking us how many clothes, and what I told you every time, what they are asking, how many clothes, how many shirts, how many things, how many trees, whatever. So how many के साथ बेटा जो भी पूछा गया होता है उसे आपको आंसर के साथ लिखना होता है. तो हम यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? आंसर इज 90 clothes. Okay. In this way, you have to solve the word problem in your book. Now, one more word problem we will solve here. Look there. Now, students, look at the second word problem. What is here? Rashi had 45 balloons. She gave 20 to her younger ब्रदर. राशि के पास 45 बैलून्स थे और उसने अपने छोटे भाई को 20 बैलून्स दे दिए. तो बताइए हाउ मेनी बैलून्स वर लेफ्ट विथ हर. उसके पास कितने बैलून रह गए? तो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे बेटा इसे? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द लाइंस फ्रॉम योर वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. विच इज द फर्स्ट लाइन? राशि had balloons. How many balloons are there? 45. She gave to brother. उसने अपने भाई को कितने बैलून्स दे दिए बेटा? 20. So all together means they were asked in last word problem. All together means they were asking about the total things. Okay. And what is there? How many balloons were left? Left means it is the symbol of subtraction. ये हमें बताता है कि कितनी चीजें रह गई. तो हम जब तक टोटल में से आउट ऑफ थिंग्स को सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे तो हमें लेफ्ट थिंग्स का पता नहीं चलेगा. सो लेफ्ट मीन्स वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट. नाउ व्हाट शुड बी थर्ड लाइन? Balloons left with her. How to solve? From one side we will solve it. 0 out of 5 means 5. Nothing to subtract. 2 out of 4, 2. Okay. 2 out of 4 how? 2 after. 2 after you have to count till the 4. 2 after 3, 4. So these are 2 finger marks. We were writing here 2. So what is the answer? हमारा आंसर क्या आया बेटा? उसके पास कितने बैलून रह गए राशि के पास? 25 balloons. Okay. Now in this way you have to solve the word problem. Okay students. Now one more thing we have to do. One more word problem is there. Now look at the board. Now students, what is the third word problem? A farm sends eggs to the market. एक पोल्ट्री फार्म है जो कि पोल्ट्री फार्म होता है मुर्गी रखने वाला फार्म जो मुर्गियां पालते हैं जहां पर. पोल्ट्री फार्म सेंड्स एग्स टू द मार्केट. मार्केट में उसने कितने एग बेचे? कितने भेजे? 87. ब्रेक ऑन द वे उसने मार्केट में सेल करने के लिए एग्स भेजे और रास्ते में कितने टूट गए? 50. नाउ एग्स लेफ्ट इन द वैन. पोल्ट्री फार्म से जब एग भेजे गए तो वो 87 थे वैन में. जब रास्ते में ये एग्स क्या हुआ? थोड़े थोड़े टूटते चले गए बेटा, बिकॉज वो दे आर नॉट सेफली केप्ट देयर. दैट्स व्हाई ब्रेक ऑन द वे 50 eggs left in the van. Then what we will do here? We will solve it. 0 out of 7, 7. 5 out of 8, 3. So they are asking us how many eggs are now in the van. Now how many eggs are in the van? Eggs left in the van? 37. So what is our answer? How many eggs? Means we have to write with answer eggs. 37 eggs. Okay. In this way you have to solve the page number 35 word problems in your book only, not in the notebook. Okay beta. Thank you.